Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Microsoft Office 365 email and Outlook on Windows, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your Windows computer and ensure you have a stable internet connection. Click on the Start menu located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Type Outlook in the search bar and click on the Outlook application when it appears in the search results. If this is your first time using Outlook, a welcome screen will pop up. Click on Next to proceed. Select the option Yes when prompted to set up an email account and click Next. In the next window, choose Email Account and click Next again. Enter your name as you would like it to appear on your outgoing emails in the Your Name field. In the email address field, type your Microsoft Office 365 email address. Click Next to continue. You will now be prompted to enter login information. In the password field, input your email account password. Make sure to check the option Remember Password if you want Outlook to save your password for future access. Click Next once you have entered your password. Outlook will now test your account settings. If prompted, confirm any security alerts that may appear on your screen. Once the test is successful, click Close. You will see a final screen stating that your account has been set up. Click Finish to complete the process. Your Outlook application will open, displaying your inbox. To customize your settings, navigate to the File tab at the top left corner. Click on Options to explore various customization options. Now you are ready to send and receive emails using Microsoft Office 365 through Outlook. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the Outlook interface, including the navigation pane and the reading pane. Congratulations on setting up your Microsoft Office 365 email and Outlook on Windows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.